Hey everybody, how you doing today? We have another earbuds to unbox. This time it's from Huawei. It's Huawei Freebuds 4i. And this very small package from Huawei and actually try to compete with the mid-range or small budget earbuds in the market. The good news is that I'm going to compare this with the previous earbuds that I got. For example, the Nokia earbuds that I just received. Also, Ninka earbuds. I'm going to compare the sound between them and Huawei 4i. I know everybody now trying to use these earbuds and get into it, so I'll do my best to get you the best outcome between these three earbuds. Now let's just unbox the this beautiful small earbuds and look at this. That's a unique design, the way they are designed. So let's just open up. Wow, that's like a chicken egg. This is a chicken egg, guys. Anyways, let's just open it up and see how it looks like when it comes to the quality of production engineering. So, all right. So when you open it up, there is a light shows here, and the hinge is locked in. Like if you just do it like this, it's not gonna shake up. Not too much shake. There is a small minimum shake, but it's not gonna, like for example, the Ninka, and I spoke that before, that when you open it, this is the maximum, and when you leave it, it's gonna close by itself. Sometimes it takes only small movement to lock it in, but in this case, the Huawei earbuds, they are not locking in easily, as you can see. So a small push from you is gonna lock this thing. And as you can see, it's pure white glass, like a plastic, and USB Type-C. In that case, Nokia also have a Type-C. And just open up and see the earbuds. Oh, it's locked in very, very hard, by the way. Wow, that magnetics though. All right, so here is the earbuds, and there's some kind of texture inside. That's where the this is the right side, of course. And I'll just give it a fast, try wearing it. Okay, it's good. It fits good in my ears. So straight away, that's a positive. It fits good. Now let's just see what else we have in the box. We have a USB Type-C for charging. We don't have any charging bricks, or just only the cable. So what else we have? I think what left is the documentation, but it says here, oh, we have a changeable earbuds, like different sizes. So don't get fooled by these and you throw it away because it's some documents. No, what's inside are these important interchangeable earbuds. So is that very important for your ears? We have different ears, of course. Everybody has different sizes. So that's really beneficial for you. So basically, this is just a quick unboxing for the Huawei earbuds 4i. Freebuds 4i. And I'm going to check out the codecs, because I know both the Nokia and the Ninka, they support the Qualcomm aptX, which is really great for Android sound. Now, if you're an Android user, but this one, I'm gonna check out about the codecs. It doesn't say here anything. Let me just quickly actually check the booklets. If it does actually tell us what they have here. So I'll just quickly see. Oh, that's like a prescription, drug prescription. You're gonna go read what's going on here. Factory resets, support. I cannot see anything. Anyways, I'm gonna tell you about that. I'm not gonna waste your time. I'm gonna tell you about that in my full review. So stay tuned, guys. Take care, everybody. See you in another video.